stars. Teach me about fucking stars.
What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Today we got something special. Someone you all know, Mr. Suburban Delinquent. Of course, we're going out. You know what happens when we go out with Sub D? It means food. Food is involved. So stick around and enjoy the show. He's out here killing it with them wheelies. Oh. It is an absolutely beautiful day to ride. Alright, what up, buddy? It looks like there's a lot of bikes out, and we're going to have some fun today. So good old Sub D's got a good food challenge set up for me. We're going to go ahead and try that out. Apparently it's a 5.5 pound burger, and it's supposed to be pretty delicious, so I'm looking forward to it. And I got to be honest, if there is a person that I trust with food, and whether it's good or bad, it would probably be Sub D with the amount of food that he always eats and the places he's always going. So I'm sure you guys are very familiar with this route here and what it looks like. We are headed over to the good old general store with none other than Suburban Delinquent, who of course pretty much made that place popular. So I do intend to leave some stickers and maybe some keychains. I really enjoy this road here, though. The trees is what makes it happen. I don't see this kind of stuff that often. Having trees hang over on the road is pretty awesome. Oh, what do we have here? Look at that thing. That is cool. Little quart. Oh yeah, get ourselves a little soda here. That's a nice road.
That's dangerous as fuck.
Huh?
Gas on that road once a week.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it's all driveways.
I saw that, the gravel coming around the corner.
And it's not motorcyclists.
It's a car.
It's a fucking car.
Yeah.
Now, you ever hear of Toto de Casa? Like, you ever hear of like real Orange County housewives?
Mm-hmm.
It's like the richest part of Orange County. Like,
oh, is it?
they have their own little city.
Uh-huh.
Their own schools, their own stores.
So they don't give a fuck.
All the rock stars and fucking pro athletes of it. So all these rich fucks, they come out here, they get all these like their BMWs and whatever else.
Yeah.
And they race them up here in the middle of the night. And
at night?
There's so many trees.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. It's crazy because you're coming through and it's like a tree, like tunnels of trees and just trees on the side of the road. You don't see a lot of that out here in Cali. It's usually desert.
This is why we pay for the big bucks out here in County. You know what? One time I was here, Bob bought me a soda.
Bob bought you a soda. Oh, I think I saw a video about that. Yeah, it was Club, right? I think you were with the Club and then you found money. How's it going, Bob? Just there you go.
Bob, what you got? We got stuff. All right. We don't got much.
I think we have to leave some stuff for Bob.
just friends.
Oh, a Valentine's card.
Oh, it's from Super Tiny Tear. I like that shit.
That's cool.
Special. What do we got? What do we got?
Is that a food place?
What do we got? What do we got? We got.
Ooh, carnitas.
We got tacos. The Hernandez family.
That sounds delicious.
We might have to go there.
That sounds delicious.
Not today. Fuck you, Corbs. Congratulations to Corbs. I know we got married and got a baby on the way, so. Corbs, and we got MI Michigan Cruiser guy. And throw in a Suburban Delinquent sticker. And Rural Disturbance. I don't know if you guys remember that.
Yeah, that's old school.
I got a bunch of stickers here. You want them?
Yeah, that's old school. I got some stuff.
What do you got?
I got stickers, multiple colors, and one key tag.
You're giving it big with
Yeah, we're gonna go big. We'll do this. And we're gonna go ahead and leave some underneath him, down below, and a couple in here. He's got a little something. Let's keep him warm.
cooking them up.
He's gonna keep him warm. All right. So out of all the sodas here, what's your favorite?
Well, anyone that's been watching the videos for a while knows that, you know, I'm all bark and no bite. Look at all these sodas, and I always end up defaulting to the glass bottle, real sugar, nothing. I promise
That's pretty delicious, though.
today that I was gonna not get that.
You should do a root beer.
You're gonna get rid of it?
I'll do a root beer.
It's not an old school soda.
Iron Horse root beer.
Alright, guys. Pineapple soda. You're gonna do some root beer?
I'm gonna go with that Iron Horse.
I'll do it.
That sounds like it's gonna put hair on your chest.
Alright, let me buy that for you.
You sure? Thank you. You guys got dog treats here too? That's cool. I bet that tastes better than the crayon though.
Well, I didn't eat that crayon.
I know you did it, but Club did.
Club likes crayon.
Awesome.
Don't catch the cap.
It's magnet, huh?
No.
Wait, what?
You don't catch the cap and it hits the bucket, you buy lunch. If the cap touches the bucket.
There's a trick to this, isn't there?
Oh, he lies.
What's going on, people? Gotta get that root beer, of course. I love it. That's actually really, really good.
Everything here's pretty good, except that bacon soda. I think
That sounds disgusting. That's the way to get out of the general store. One way to leave in a spectacular fashion. Alright guys, so of course they got some delicious soda. Had to get myself that root beer. It was very, very good. And now we are headed over to Watson Soda Fountain, I think is what it's called. It's supposed to be a really good hamburger spot. Really freaking old. And one of the, I think it said one of the first stores in Orange County or something like that. One of the first businesses. And what really makes it really cool, I think, is that it used to be like a pharmaceutical company. So I don't know how many of you guys know, but back in the day, soda pop, sodas, those kind of things, they all became what they are today because, you know, they were used as pharmaceutical medicine for coughs and, you know, different things. And then they just turned into soda. I guess that's what this place was, which is pretty awesome. I really like this road. It's actually a really nice road. Being that it's the second time that I've actually been on it, I really do enjoy it. It's not long. It's definitely got some twist to it, but I like the fact that the trees are on right on the side of the road. The way it covers the road and overhangs over the road itself. It gives a weird, like, I don't know. It gives a feeling like you're not in California kind of thing. I'm used to riding in places where it's like desert. There's going through mountains and it's just desert. Everything's just dry and dead. And so this is a super nice change. He did mention that there's usually a lot of accidents up here, obviously because of trees. The cars come up here and they try to rip through here and end up, well, stuck in a tree. And that's unfortunate. But it also makes it more dangerous for riders too, man. You want to be riding around here and have a car come around the corner, you know, crossing that double yellow. Look at that. See, that's cool. This is like a fairy tale type situation right there. That's what I picture. I need the 3 pigs and fucking Sleeping Beauty to come out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about this hamburger. If I'm gonna be able to put it down and fucking eat the whole thing. It looks like it's like, fortunately, I was kind of worried that it was like 5 pounds of meat, but it looks like it's only like, 2 pounds of meat, a pound of fries, and all the fixings like lettuce and all that other good stuff. The one thing that's worrisome to me is bread. I'm not a big fan of like big bread, and apparently it's got like oversized bread, and I only have an hour to eat it. So it's going to be interesting. 5.5 pounds is probably more than, you know what? I'll take it back. I'm pretty sure at some point I've done that. I've eaten that much food just because. But it would be like very few and far between. Like that burrito that I had, the baby leg burrito. That would be probably the closest thing I've had to this. I'm hoping I can put it down. I guess you win a shirt. You get your name and picture or some shit taken, put up on the wall. I don't know. Look at all the bikes. That's how you know it's a beautiful day out. Look at that. Look at that. A legit question I got for you guys. Have you guys ever done a food challenge? If so, when? Where was it? Were you like younger and just be able to put down food, or did you have to struggle? And what was it really? That's what I'm curious about. I've always wanted to try it. Like there's one in San Diego, but it's like an omelet food challenge, and that's a lot of eggs, and I can only imagine that much eggs. Oh man, you're gonna be hurting. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna be hurting here. I'm almost positive that I'm gonna be in pain after this one. So, but we're gonna find out. I guess there's only one way to know, and that's to do the damn thing. Man, look at that. That is freaking cool. This is why I love California, man. Oh, hopefully everyone's good there. Everyone's taken care of. Look at that view, man. That is just spectacular. This is California. You know, Rocky Mountains. It's like right in our backyard. Like that's the thing about California, man. It's just right there in your backyard. You don't have to go very far to get here. Caballos, horses. I really like horses. Horses are fucking beautiful, man. Something about a horse, but just being able to be tamed, I don't know, it's just crazy. There's so much power in a horse. When you see a horse run, it's fucking insane, man. I tell you, one of the biggest stresses I have when when I go out and actually want to film a video, like I go out with a purpose to make a video for you guys and have fun, and I want to record it all, my biggest worry and like anxiety comes from the audio not working, the Bluetooth not working, the camera not working, the battery dying, or something going on. And I swear, man, it sucks. But when you go out and you're just out to ride and you're not really looking to make anything, for some reason you never have any problems. It's only when you really want to record or do something. So we double check. So this time what I did is, I normally don't rock that light. I actually put it on because I want to make sure that I can tell it that it's recording or not. Not today! You know what? I think I'm ready. I'm like 98% sure that I'm ready for this.
I got faith in you. I got faith in you.
I'm hungry.
You beat me to the white line, so I guess I gotta buy lunch.
Guys, so we're here, and yeah, this is gonna happen. We're gonna eat, let's see, 2 pounds of 100% Angus beef, 6 slices of American cheese, shredded lettuce, onions, tomatoes, pharmacy sauce, whatever that is, on a colossal bun, and that's the killer. The bun, bread is my weakness, man. A pound of famous fries, and a pitcher of suds. I'm gonna be in pain, I'm not gonna lie. And to top it all off, I have 1 hour to do it all. My goal is to do it in 30 minutes or less. Maybe. Alright, so it's about to go down. As you can see, the place is pretty cool, pretty big. Kind of cool, old school feel to it. Really hungry, really excited for this, and just ready to eat. I have a feeling that I'm gonna be definitely feeling the. I have a feeling I'm definitely gonna be in pain after this, but it is what it is. We're about to have fun, eat some dinner or lunch or whatever it is, and try to kill this burger. Oh my god! Wait. That is just insane.
Oh god.
Rotate this thing for you guys so you guys can see what it's really all about. I mean, I wonder, at this point with this type of hamburger, you're curious about what's the diameter and the circumference, and you start getting mathematical with it. It's so large. Oh man, and you even got the little baby burger on the top. But man, does that look good.
How we doing?
Give a cup for that.
No, you have to bring it out of there.
Straw?
Straw.
On your marks, get set.
Oh my god.
Go.
Alright. We're just gonna go ahead and top this thing off.
There you go.
Can I get more napkins?
Yes.
I think I'm gonna need them. Do that last.
That's smart.
I feel the bread is gonna.
Yeah. Because you can just get the bread real quick. Yeah. That's actually really smart. You know how like the Asian people do it? And because you know the guy who ate all hot dogs? I didn't see him do it, but how would he eat 64 hot dogs?
And he's skinny.
Yeah, this little girl came in and she was from Japan. I think she worked for like a show there, because they were filming it. She had like a crew filming her, and she ate that in like 20 minutes. And ordered dessert. I'm not kidding you. I was like, and ate all of it within a half hour. I was like, this is crazy. She would probably do it twice if we asked her to.
I know that look. I've seen it before. Don't do it. It's not a good look. This is bread, man.
The idea is to trick your mind.
If it was something like another meat patty, I'd probably be good with it.
Would you like some of the pizza sauce?
No. It's the bread portion that I knew that from the beginning, and that's why I was like, I'll eat the meat first and attack the bread after, because I knew the bread is my I'm not a fan of bread. It's just dry and I'm done. Can't do it. Game over.
That's it, huh?
I failed. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. I'm a failure. Alright guys, well that was that. Unfortunately, I failed. I gave it my best try. The hamburger was delicious. It was just a lot. As you can see from the video, I hit a point where it was just painful. Just painful. Shout out to Sub D for bringing me here. Definitely a good choice. Food challenges, man. It's another level. A different type of pain. But anyways, until next time, guys, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, hit the like button, and go check out Sub D. Peace.